Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'll keep this job lead as short, sweet, and simple as I can because I know I've shared quite a few job leads today, but a lot of them have been more on the non-phone based, and I do know I have some viewers and subscribers who are looking for phone-based remote jobs. Dish Network has a work-at-home inbound retention agent. They are hiring with absolutely no experience whatsoever. So whether you don't have any experience but you want to work from home or you're looking for customer service, this might be for you. Of course, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. And let me know if you enjoy job leads like this by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But when I think of retention agents, I think of people trying to leave or cancel their Dish Network services, and you're trying to keep them to stay. You're trying to persuade them to stay, whether it is telling them about new services and products that might benefit them or package deals that could save them money, things like that. You'll be taking inbound phone calls, successfully selling Dish products and services to new and existing customers, using the ability to present these compelling offers and influence their customer decision making. So you're going to manage time, open and learn new methods, and look to advance as basically a sales contributor. You're going to assess each customer and their need, offering the best value that fits them, trying to just keep those customers and maintain those customer relationships. You'll also have to take down customer information, including their demographics like name, date of birth, address, billing information. Make sure you get that all entered into the system, just providing that excellent customer service. Now, again, they don't require any experience whatsoever. They're looking for somebody who has great communication skills, great interpersonal skills. You do have to have a high school diploma and be able to complete a pre-employment background check, which may include a drug screen. Now, they're hiring within the United States as long as you do not live within a 50-mile radius of a direct sales facility. You do have to have your own internet service, but I do believe that Dish Network gives you all the computer equipment you need. Now, they do have all the states and pay ranges listed down below. The main pay is about $15 to $16 an hour starting out. Some states, higher cost of living might be a little bit higher, like Maryland is paying $18.50 an hour. Best part about this job, though, is on top of that normal hourly pay, you get commissions based on the sales that you make and the people you get to persuade them to sign up for services. So they are saying that the commissions you get plus your base pay equals about $64,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give it a thumbs up like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.